Hi guys! It's Megan Rose from the Philippines. Today is August 29, 2015. It's a Saturday. I woke up early today to finish the beaded wallet that I'm working on last night. I put lining on it today and some zippers or zipper. And I'm going to add Teresa again today so to get the payment for the orders that I made for her or her office mates. We're going to Las Piñas today in the afternoon. Mama, she's at Angono, my other cousin, because his mother-in-law died. So she went there. And she's coming home this morning. And in the afternoon, we're going to Las Piñas to deliver the dino tails and the flag. So I'm going to show you my foes. I have 4 foes or finished objects, and those are the 3 little mouse. No, actually they are teddy bears that looks like mouse. I've already made teddy bears out of these variegated yarns, but I made again 3 and put some keyring on them. This one has the muzzle. I saw the muzzle with white mercerized cotton yarn. It's a really nice color. I've already sold one with this color, and I made another because I like the color of this one. And another one in this color. I'm going to deliver this. Hopefully, Ate Lisa can sell them. And this is the camouflage yarn. I'm getting better with putting the eyes because they look cute and tamed this way. So those are the 3 little bears. And this is what I'm working on since yesterday. I just finished this morning. This is a rectangular beaded wallet with black, dark blue, light blue, and light yellow colors. I also put a handle on it. So Ate Lisa, she asked for me to make her this so she can sell them. Because I've given her and Ate Lori, each of them I gave one of this. And inside you can put paper bills horizontally, like the one I did last time. And it also has a divider inside. So you can put the coins on the other side, and on the other you can put paper bills. So that's it. And for my works in progress, I have orders of Hello Kitty, Amigurumi, Minions, Amigurumi, and what's the other one? Big Hero. Still have to figure out that one, and I still have to buy more white yarn. I know that Miss Blue Sharab Skin, what's her name? Sorry. Miss Blue Sharab, she made some small big heroes, tiny ones. And I don't know if she has made a large one. Maybe she did, but I'm going to make one. And this is the start of the Hello Kitty. It's in a arch type. So I didn't use magic circle with this. I chained 5 and then I single crochet around that 5 until it became like this. It's oblong. And like the other heads that are rounded, it's going to be oblong. So this is the start of Hello Kitty. and I ran out of white yarn, so I bought some yesterday. But red heart yarns that are white, they are lacking it. Maybe they're going to be delivered that October. And I also started with the Minions. The Minions, as you can see, is like capsule or an oblong creature. So his head is rounded, and then he is kinda long. So I'm going to connect the yellow part to the blue part because his pants is round. His pants is colored blue. I'm going to connect that just like what I did with Marvin the Martian. So I'm going to Annalisa, and I just wanted to make a video. I'm sorry if I keep looking backwards because I'm looking for things that I can show you, and remembering things so I keep looking backwards. So I hope you guys have a fine day. We still don't have the internet, but I think when we have that, I'm going to upload many videos, so I'm excited about that. That's it. So that's it for now. Bye.